How to change name on TikTok before 7 days. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open TikTok app on your phone. Then you want to go ahead and tap on your profile that is on the bottom right corner. As you do that, you want to tap on edit profile, then tap on name. You can remove the name and enter the name here. As you can see, you can change your name once in 7 days. You can confirm it or cancel it. Now, if you want to change it before 7 days, what you need to do here is you want to go back to your profile and tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on settings and privacy. As you do that, you want to scroll down until you see report a problem and then go ahead and tap on it. Tap on account and profile. After some time, now here you want to tap on edit profile. In the drop down, you want to scroll down a little bit and then tap on update name. You will see how to update your name here, but as it is not working for you, tap on no, that is on the right hand side corner, and then tap on need more help. Here in the text bar, you need to type that your username has been entered wrong mistakenly, and then you want to change it before 7 days and ask for the TikTok's help. Then you want to submit this to the TikTok, and sooner or later you will be able to change your username. And that is how you can do it. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.